Welcome to another episode in the Caracruiser series.
January was a particularly wet month this year, and I think only a couple of days were actually dry, but I decided to take the cruiser down to Ross at Extreme Trailers in Southampton for a measure up. Less than halfway there, I noticed the bow lifting up and pulled over to find this. I thought it would be sensible to use a soft bar to allow a bit of bend, but I didn't expect this. Because there's no weight in there, it was just bouncing around and rocking backwards and forwards. Remember, the trailer is slightly shorter now. So I unhitched and went to a local car parts shop, picked up some stiffer bolts and nylock nuts to re-secure it, plus a ratchet strap to stop the front jumping around. This was followed by a visit to the weighbridge and a result of 760 kilos, which I'm very happy with. So since Christmas I've just been chipping away at some boring jobs in the background. There's been a fresh coat of locker paint in all of the lockers. I've gel coated the inside of the wardrobe. Stuck cable clips all the way around the outside for keeping all the cables tidy as they run between all the fuse boards. I fitted the bluefin external floodlights all around. As much as it pains me to cut holes in the side, this is the best place for them. Taken a new approach to silicone on these, putting too much on and then using wonder wipes to remove the excess. Yes, I still hate silicone, and yes, it's Sikaflex 291i again. I must have gone through about 15 tubes now. and fitted the hull transducer down in the floor. This is a lot thicker than I thought it would be. The rest of the hull seems to be about 6mm thick. This blower pulls air from the fuel tank compartment. You can see the sump pump box there too, which empties water off the rear deck area. And these are the bins, including one for wet clothes that drains into the bilge. Another hole to drill, the 240 volt shore power socket. This is a 16 amp stainless Victron unit. I just realised something that I really should have realised ages ago. And these, which I've been surface mounting, have a sort of an edge around that, so that they can be recess mounted, like this one. main switches, the breaker for the windlass, bus bars for the electrics, and this is where the fridge is going to go. There was a speaker hole here, so I've moved that and I'm filling that gap. Also been working on fitting up the dashboard. This is placed, it's just loose. And starting to fit in all of the electrical items for the solar charger, the DC to DC charger, the inverter, the zip wake, all that stuff. Adding this vent to allow better cooling of the chargers. And now I'm preparing for a new bow eye higher up than the old one for the winch on the new trailer. I'm using 2 plies of 1/2 inch cruiser, so there'll be one stuck on, laminated over, and then the next one, and then that encased with more carbon fibre. So I'm just keying this up with some 80 grit, and then I'll give that a good acetone and bond the first ply on with some bridging filler. As always, thanks for watching. I'm not sure what the next episode will be other than some more interior bits. Hopefully soon we'll have a new trailer and then I can fit the engine and we can start doing some sea trials. See you next time.